Hey there, parents and guardians. Are you ready to rev up your child's playtime with an awesome ride on motorbike? Let's zoom through everything you need to know to choose the perfect two-wheeled wonder for your little rider. First things first, let's talk safety. When shopping for a ride on motorbike, always prioritize models with essential safety features. Remember, a stable design with a wide base is crucial to prevent tipping. Now let's match the bike to your child's age. For the littlest riders, ages 2 to 3, consider a 6-volt battery quad bike or a motorbike with stabilizers. These offer the stability toddlers need as they're still mastering their balance. As your child grows, typically around 4 to 5 years old, you can transition to more advanced electric motorbikes. Speaking of power, most kids' electric ride on motorbikes have a top speed of about 5 to 6 kilometers. That's fast enough for fun, but slow enough for safety. Some models offer multiple speed settings, allowing you to adjust as your child's skills improve. Don't forget about the cool features. Many ride-on motorbikes now come with realistic details like working headlights, horns, and even interactive dashboards. These add to the fun and can help teach basic road safety concepts. For the adventurous types, consider all-terrain capabilities. Look for models with durable rubber tires and suspension systems for a smoother ride on various surfaces. Now, here's a crucial point. Always ensure your child wears protective gear. A well-fitting helmet is an absolute must, and knee and elbow pads offer extra protection against bumps and scrapes. Remember, supervision is key. Always keep an eye on your child's ride on adventures, even in the safety of your home. Establish clear boundaries for where they can ride and explain why these rules are important. Lastly, consider maintenance and storage. Regular cleaning and proper storage in a dry place will keep the motorbike in top condition for years of fun. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to choosing a ride on motorbike that's safe, age-appropriate, and packed with features your child will love. Remember, the right choice can boost your child's development, encouraging balance, coordination, and even early road safety awareness. So, are you ready to kickstart your child's ride on adventures? With these guidelines, you're all set to make an informed choice that'll have your little one zooming around with a big smile. Don't let your child's dreams of hitting the pavement in style stay in park. Visit RiiRoo.com today and get ready to see those smiles shift into high gear. Remember, at RiiRoo, every child's adventure begins with the perfect ride.